This is Ananda, and we are live here with Coffee with Roma, a webinar 12-part series, 15 minutes. We are here every single Saturday and Wednesday at 11 a.m. CEO and founder of Affordable Insurance and Financial Services, Roma Patadia, former tax attorney with over 16 years of experience in financial services. Welcome, Roma, and we are happy with this second episode of Coffee with Roma.
Thank you. Thank you for having this opportunity to share this very important information today, and I'm glad I'm here today.
Our topic today, principle-based reserves, simplified methods. Few people outside of the insurance senior leaders are familiar with principle-based reserving, or PBR. And yet it's a large impact and is starting right now here in January 2020, when PBR implemented and took full effect with pre-COVID this January, is an opportunity to optimize and enhance reserves. In this episode, we discuss potential opportunities and provide considerations around reserves, liability, and assets, to operations, economic impacts, and how to deal with this COVID-19 pandemic. With our opening statement, let's go into some terminology, folks. Reserves are considered on the liability side of a balance sheet because they are sums of money that have been yet set aside for a future date. As these reserves don't actually belong to the company, they are not considered assets, but liabilities. Roma, can you describe to me briefly, what is the difference between an asset and a liability?
Yes, that's a great question, actually, to be very honest with you, because assets and liabilities supposed to be in the balance. I understand there is some liabilities is unexpected and that is ongoing, that is we cannot avoid, but what we can do the best, definitely we can do. Assets, products like a cash flows, like a, straight in your pocket, cash flow straight in your pocket. Example, like cash flows like from dividend, investment, stocks, mutual funds, rental properties, and all that things, business and all that things. That is great, okay? But liability is producing like expenses and take away from your pocket. Like example, buying a home, car, boat, TV cable, and all that things, which is luxury. Also, we need it. Certain point, yes, we need it. So we are fine on that. Real world example, we can say that, like a car, as a 15K car. Let's say example, we have a cash in our pocket and $15,000 I have. And if I have to buy a car, $15,000 car, that is a kind of expense. And another side is, let me put like a space, 16K or 15K, whatever I have cash in my pocket, let it put it on the investment side, like a dividend, or start to get some interest, stock bonds, or invest in the business or something. So that is like a down the road, when we go like from 1 year of the road, okay, car will be next year depreciate from 15K to 12K. So we are losing like a 3,000 something. I understand we are using, but if we save that money for and use our old used car, whatever we are using, and save that 15K on the investment side, next year can be 15 plus couple of $1,000 investment. So can be 17, 18 something. The same thing if we go down the road 5 year of the depreciation, then it can be value of the $5,000. But now the investment portfolio or rental properties, or they increase the value or assets, maybe 25,000, 26,000, depends on 5%, 6%, 7% investment as a growth on. So it depends on how we are using that. Now, if we say that, like a bonus, liabilities and all that things is absolutely fine. We are saving all that money, and your car key to use the assets is the rich do not work for money. They money work for them. The rich invest in the assets, not in the liabilities. So, what I can say, passively produce more wealth. So that's why liability is, yes, it's necessary, but reduce the liability and invest for the future is all best.
Roma, what are the three types of reserves? Can you give us kind of examples, please?
Yes, there is like, like that is like a three reservation of the three reservation is very important, like a cash shortfalls, all unforeseen expenses. Also, like a second is like a repair or replace of the equipment or properties or house or rent a property, something unexpected opportunities like buying a business or something like that, calculating payroll, ongoing expense, fixed expense, unexpected expense, and but all the same time you have to like a cash for flow for project for the projection also we need from today for the future, and some kind of guaranteed income and unexpected expenses and ongoing expenses and all that things we have to be think about. Plan properly is giving you a clear picture of funding, depreciation, or ongoing expense and equipment of the building, all that things, right? For the that need new ideas and goals for that needs and ambitious strategic plan today, that for tomorrow. So plan today for tomorrow. You have to budget today for tomorrow, not budget today for today. Budget today for tomorrow. So intelligent way we do, optimistic way we do is like a opportunity to like a surplus of fund and depreciation and attain specific fund, depreciation fund. We have to calculate the depreciation fund on the side as a cash flow. That is a campaign. You can go attend the campaigns and all that things, right? So that is like a very important for the three source of appreciation, resources.
Now, given these very uncertain times, we expect that life insurance companies could face both short-term and long-term challenges to maintaining business continuity and profitability with their small businesses. What are some examples of what reserves can be used for?
Yeah, see, that is also another great question. The reason is like a people is, see, we do not have so many time we use the medias and all that things for calculation. But no, all investors need annuity. And the following question is like why all investors need annuity, right? So investor need annuity. Most investor is like around the 50s, okay? Because on the around age 30s, we are still struggling to get into the business and developing business and all that things. But age 50s are like it's not a safe side to invest on the stock market and mutual fund. 20 to 50, 30 to 50, you did it. Yeah, fine, great, make money on the stock, mutual fund, like a high risk portfolio, variable portfolio. Yeah, that is great. Nothing wrong in that, the early age. But age 50s and up, most investor is like a not good time to invest in the stock and all that things. They need annuity, period, right? The reason is now time for guarantee return. It is not a time for struggle the business or something. Now time for guarantee income. And how to get a guarantee lifetime income? Do you know guarantee lifetime income? Only and only and only from life insurance or annuity. That is the only two vehicle. That is like a scale of the both sides. On the scale, one side is life insurance, other side is like an annuity. How the annuity? Annuity also has a guarantee lifetime income, which is helping you ongoing expense and unexpected expense, medical expenses and all that things. So life annuity also index and fixed index annuity, which is has a guarantee, not reducing my principal, whatever I have it, but at least locking my principal and giving me interest, whatever, 5%, 7%, 6%, I'm happy with that. Because now I know that I'm not going to lose my principal and already earned whatever in my annuity, I'm not going to reduce. The same time, annuity has a long-term care. Long-term care only connect, either long-term care is like a three-way, as a standalone long-term care, but has a restriction on that. So another side is annuity. You can attach long-term care with annuity. And the same time, another scale has life insurance. Life insurance has a long-term care attachment vehicle as well. Standalone has a different benefit, price difference and all that things. They have to plus and minus in there, but attaching vehicle with the annuity and with the life insurance is the best way to get a long-term care. The reason is been that one has a death benefit in there, including annuity and including life insurance has a death benefit in there. So many reasons, if you don't use your fully annuities, then you can pass on to the second generation. Life insurance also unused long-term care is, if you don't use the long-term care, then it goes with the death benefit. So which is absolutely fine. We are not losing the money, but the long-term is like unexpected medical expense is the most important for the annuity and long-term care.
So let's get some terminology there for anyone who's watching currently, and they may have some questions here. Annuity is a long-term investment that is issued by an insurance company like yourself and is designed to help and protect the client from risk of outliving your income, right? Like Roma was just explaining to us. So how is this determined? Obviously, it sounds, Roma, like you really need that advisor to go over your current assets, go over, what funds may be needed, and to balance, obviously your current life and situation, and then post that to help your family. So can you give us a little bit more of information on how vital it is to have that help from your advisors?
Yeah, that's also very great question. The reason is been like, how to determine, let's say how to determine the annuity and life insurance, right? Life insurance and annuity has like a two buckets for the guarantee. Guarantee word is a very important. And that is the only guarantee you can get with the life insurance and annuity. Stock is not guaranteed. 401k is not guaranteed. Real estate property is sudden point of not guaranteed. Let me give you why the real estate. I understand. Real estate has ongoing inflation and all that things, increase the price and all that thing. That's fine. Okay. But how about if you don't, even though property is paid up property, real estate property has, if have a mortgage, then economy suddenly like a pandemic time, right? So many people cannot afford the mortgage. Then what? You are losing absolutely your real estate. The reason is being mortgage not gonna stop. They're gonna send you for foreclosed notice and all that things. End of the year, you have to pay property tax. Property tax always going to be increased as well.
That's what's happening, especially right now, Roma. During COVID-19, we're seeing this issue with forbearance, and a lot of people are asking kind of what to do.
Yeah, see, that is the reason is right now, if we can sit down with the financial advisor and open the portfolio, whatever they have it, let's go annual reviews. Even right now, if you did review 5 months ago, but today, right now, economy is being changed. So let's do today and nothing to pull it out from your pocket. And let's see, can you transfer or can you move around your portfolio and get some guarantee lifetime income? Guarantee lifetime income is the most important in the retirement planning, especially for tax-free retirement planning. So guarantee income is the key word. So they don't have to pull out some money from your pocket. I mean, they don't have to. They have already bucket. They already invested. At least save from that negativity of the stock market, mutual fund and all that things. So many life insurance has a cash bucket as well. That is also getting negative because of the market crash down. Let's sit down. Let me help you to transfer that cash from one bucket to other bucket and secure you with the retirement and with the long-term care, guarantee income and all that things. And for that, not need to spend a single penny, just time. And you know what? Time right now, everybody only has, that is a time. It's a pandemic. Everybody's staying home. So time, time, and time. Use your time.
Use
And
your
let's do
time.
guarantee.
That's right. Time's up, Roma. This was Coffee with Roma every single Saturday and Wednesday at 11 o'clock. You can call Roma for more financial and insurance service questions, 972 693 3315. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and check out our latest YouTube video. We are simulcast every day. This is Ananda with Topic Media, your moderator and host for Coffee with Roma. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.